build and download APK from Google Studio Android app on phone. So as you can see, I have successfully downloaded my APK. Let me tap on the open for you to see. And as you can see, this is the APK. Okay, I can simply go to my phone and then from my file manager, come and then tap on it. And over here, you can see that this is the APK that I downloaded from Google Studio. Let me tap on it for you to see. And I have the option to simply come and then tap on the install. So when I tap on the install, as you can see, it has successfully installed, and I can simply come and then tap on the open, and my app has opened perfectly fine and it is working perfectly fine. I built this app right inside Google Studio, okay, and all that I did was to simply come and then give it the prompt to build the APK, and it built everything for me right on my phone. So let me show you how I can do the exact same thing. Simply locate Chrome on your phone and then come and tap on it. So when it comes, simply come here to where you have the Google search and then come and search for Google Studio just like this, and then simply come and then tap on it to select it. So when tap on it, it's going to come and then simply come and then select the first one, that is the official site. It's going to bring you right here to Google Studio platform. Okay, and then when you look at the top here, you're going to see that you have these three bars here. Simply come and then tap on it, and when you tap on it, this will show up just like this. All that you have to do is simply come here to where you have the build, and the you're going to see that I have my apps here. Come and tap on it. So when you tap on it, it is simply going to open all the apps that you have created. So as you can see, by you is selected, and all that you have to do is simply come and then select the one that you want to build the APK from. So I'm going to tap on this one to select that one. So when you tap on it, it's going to open just like this. Simply come and then tap on the skip, okay, and it's going to go ahead and then load your app. And as you can see, the app is working perfectly fine. So all that you have to do is to simply come here. So as you can see, I have the chat here. I'm within the preview. Come and tap on the chat. It's going to take you right here to the chat. All that you have to do is simply come and then paste the prompt for Google Studio to build the APK for you. You can get it in the video description down below. Copy it, long press here, and then come and tap on the paste. And after pasting in the prompt just like this, okay, all that you have to do is simply come here to where you have the send button, and then come and tap on it. And when you tap on Google Studio, is simply going to show you this, okay. All that you have to do is simply come and then tap on the allow. And Google Studio is going to receive your prompt, and it is going to use it to build an automatic trigger to build your APK for you. So simply come and tap on the chat so that you come and then see the results. And as you can see, Google Studio has successfully created everything for us, and all that you have to do is simply push it to GitHub. Simply come here to the three dots and come and tap on it, okay. So all of this is going to show up. All that you have to do is simply scroll down and then come here to where we have the desktop site, and then come and check this box. When you check it, it's going to show you the desktop just like this. Zoom in and then come to the top here where we have the publish, and then come and tap on the publish. So when you tap on the publish, it's going to show us this. Simply come and then tap on the GitHub, okay. So when you tap on GitHub is going to show just like this, and then you have to come and then create a GitHub account if you don't have one, okay, or sign in. So let me show you if you don't have a GitHub account. Scroll to the top and come here to where we have this one here. Come and then tap on this plus, okay. So when you tap on it, it is going to open a new tab just like this, and then from the Google search, simply come and then search for GitHub just like this, and then tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's going to open the desktop site mode. You have to leave it. So simply come and then tap on the three dots just like this, and all that you have to do is simply scroll down, okay. So when this comes, simply scroll down and then come here to where we have the desktop site. Come and uncheck this box. It's going to show the normal mode just like this, and then come and tap on GitHub to take you to GitHub. All that you have to do is simply come here to GitHub, okay. At the top right hand corner, I'm going to see that I have the sign right here. Come and then tap on it. So when I tap on the sign, it's going to bring you right here. And if you don't have an account, you can simply come and then tap on create account, and then create your account. I have an account already, so I'm simply going to tap on continue with Google. And that is, it's going to log me right into my GitHub. And as you can see, I am inside my GitHub. And then from here, you can see the repos that you have created. Now that you have successfully logged into your GitHub, simply come here to where I have this, and then come and tap on the tool. Okay, and let's go back to Google Studio by tapping on it. So it's going to bring you right here to Google Studio. Come here and tap on the three dots again. And then over here, scroll down, and then come here, and then come and type this box to check the desktop site. So when you are in the desktop site, zoom in and then come here to the publish and tap on it, and then simply come here to the GitHub and then tap on it. Okay, so when you come here now, you can simply come and then tap on create new repo because you have successfully logged into our GitHub. Okay, so over here you have to come and then create a repo name. You can name it as the name of your app and then add APK to it. And after that, simply come here to the description and then simply come and then write build APK from Android app, just like this. Over here, where we have the visibility, make sure that private is selected, okay, by checking the circle to select it. After that, simply scroll down to the button and then come and then tap on create GitHub repo. So when you tap on it, that is it. It is going to show you just like this. The repo is going to be created in the main branch. Scroll down and then come here to where it says stage and commit all changes and then come and tap on it. So when you tap on it, that is it. It's going to create a repo for you in the main branch. So we have successfully created a repo. All that you have to do is simply come and then come and tap on this close, and that is it. Has been closed. So now all that you have to do is simply come to the three dots, tap on it again. Okay, and all that you have to do is simply scroll down to the button and then come here to where you have this box and then come on and check it so that it will open the normal mode just like this. Now let's go back to GitHub. All that you have to do is simply come and then tap on this. Okay, where we have the two, just tap on it and simply come and then select the GitHub by tapping on it. So when you tap on it, bring it right here to GitHub. Simply refresh the page, okay, by dragging it down. And as you can see from here, it has loaded the current repo that we have just created. So we have to open it. To open it, simply come and then tap on it to open, and it has successfully opened. Over here, you don't have to do anything, okay? It is automatically going to build the APK for you. Just give it some time, okay? So wait for about 9 minutes, and when it is done, simply come and then refresh the page again by dragging it down. And after that, simply scroll down, okay? When you scroll down, you're going to see that we have release here, and over here we have the debug APK build #1. Simply come and then tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's going to open the debug APK right here that successfully built it for you. All that you have to do is simply scroll down and come here to where we have the assets. You see that we have the debug right here. Simply come and then tap on the link. Okay, so this one, simply tap on it, and that is it. It's going to pop up just like this. Okay, don't worry, there is nothing wrong with the APK. Okay, simply come here and then come and tap on the download anyway. And that is it from the top here. As you can see, it is downloading it. To see it, you have to simply come in and tap on details, and that is it. It is going to show you the full download. Okay, so as you can see, it is downloading it. Just wait for it to finish. I successfully finished downloading, and let's go back. Okay, simply come in and tap on the close, and then from your phone, okay, simply come here to where you have the file manager. Okay, so as you can see, file manager is here. Simply come in and tap on it, and then from where we have the all files, come and tap on the all files. Simply come here to where you have the internal storage, come and tap on it, and then come here to where you have the download tab. On the download, is going to open, and then from there you are going to see that this is the APK that we just downloaded. So to install, simply tap on it, and that is it's going to pop up just like this. All that you have to do is simply come and then tap on the install, and Google Play is going to show you this message. Don't worry, come here to where it says more details, come and tap on this down arrow, and then come and tap on install anyway. So when you tap on it, that is going to install, and after it finishes installing, all that you have to do is simply come and tap on the opened, and that is it. Your app is working perfectly fine. So as you can see, my app is working perfectly fine. Okay, so it's a workout timer. So let me select one for you to see. I'm going to tap on this play button, and that is it. I can go ahead and then do my workout. Okay, so it's working perfectly fine. Let me tap on the down options for you to see as well. So let me exit. So I'm simply going to tap on the exit, and from here I'm simply going to tap on any of these. Okay, let me tap on the history for you to see it's working perfectly fine. Let me tap on the settings, and as you can see, everything is working perfectly fine. It also comes with an app icon. Okay, so this is the app icon. Let me tap on it for you to see, and my Android app is working perfectly fine. So this is actually how to build APK from GitHub Studio on your phone only. Like the video and see you in my next video.